Hi, this is Brian with WTI, and look this manly, black, and translucent Enerbone bottle that I just got from Amazon. This is something that I really appreciate because it's simple, it's lightweight. It also has like different hours like 8 a.m., 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, and then it starts all over again so I can fill it again from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So from 8 to 7, you are going to be seeing how much water you're going to be drinking. And in the beginning it says get started, and at the end it says you did it, refill. So it's a very nice thing to encourage you to drink water, which is something that I really like because I was not a very good water drinker, but now I am improving my water drinking habits. So thanks to these bottles I can do it. And I bring these bottles to any sport, like if I go walking, if I go playing football, if I go playing in sports, I can use this bottle. So if you're looking for a nice bottle that is not overpriced, but is still doing its job, I highly recommend the Enerbone water bottle. And that's my point of view.